Hey, I took my car to the mechanic the other day, and I told him it was making this horrible noise. And he said, have you tried taking out the Luke Bryan CD?
What's happening, guys? Mike here, living with 3M, and I'm back with another great installation video. I hear this all the time. People tell me, man, that's a beautiful truck. That ruby red paint, man, it is gorgeous. But then I get to thinking, those brake calipers, the old silver or gray, it just doesn't do justice to my truck. So I reached out to MGP Caliper covers, and check this out. Yes, that's custom engraved with my YouTube channel, Living with 3M. Comes with brackets labeled, let you know, front and rear. Comes with install cards, reference G, reference D, plus it's got front and back. Actually, you can scan that in for help. Yeah, everything is really well laid out, and we're gonna put some caliper covers on right now.
Hey, what you need brake covers for? I could just paint the calipers for you.
Nah, man, I'm good. All right, guys, you notice I got my tools out here. We're gonna take the front wheels off to begin with, so we're gonna jack just the front up, leave the rear on the ground. All right, I've got this tire laid over like this backwards, carefully not scratch the wheel, and we're going to clean the inside of that really well. So what I'm going to use is some Dawn dishwashing liquid and some Purple Power. So the larger covers go on the front. All right, what we're gonna do is pop that clip right down on top, just like that. Just like that, pops in. All right, now we've got a feeler gauge, or basically a piece of paper that they include to make sure that you wanna move the rotor and make sure it does not touch the clip. So, all right, we're all good on the top. So on the bottom, we do the same thing. Just pop the clip on. All right, bottom one popped right on as well. Now we're gonna take our cover carefully out of the plastic, since they are painted. It took a lot of time to make these for me, so I don't want to scratch them up or do anything hastily that I shouldn't. There they go. But you put these nuts on there 3/8, and I'm gonna put them on the bottom as well, right here. Carefully, you don't want to cross thread them because they're very small. And remember, when you're putting this on there, you don't have to put the white knuckle death grip of the 3/8. All right, putting the wheel back up on. Yes, that looks great. All right, get our lugs started carefully. All right, we're working on the other side. Just like that. All right. Those in just like that. And on the bottom, put our 3/8 nuts on. All right, we've moved around to the back. So, show you guys, it's gonna go about like that. There it is, clipped on. All right, guys, got the last one on. Just bolts right on, covers up that caliper. Gonna do it for the MGP custom caliper cover install today. I'll drop a link down in the description where you guys can order yours today. Get you on the next vid.